convicted for any criminal offense?
No, Mr. Chairman.
Are you a dual citizen of Kenya and any other jurisdiction?
No, Mr. Chairman.
You carry only one passport?
I carry only one passport.
Very good. As a matter of interest for the committee and the country, what is your net worth?
I've registered my net worth as roughly about 950 million.
950 million. Kenya shillings or dollars?
Kenya shillings. Currently I'm earning in dollars, but everything is translated in Kenya shillings. 950,000.
950
million.
Kenya shillings. What are your current and anticipated sources of income?
Currently, I'm salaried under the African Economic Research Consortium, but I think that my anticipated earnings would be gratuity coming once my contract comes to an end. Unfortunately, if I'm approved by this committee, then it means that I'll have to leave my job. The second one, that is gratuity. The other one will be maturing in financial investments through different sources, diverse sources. Those are the anticipated incomes coming to me.
Okay. I will now open the floor.